guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to first talk about Boxycharm is sold out for February. So if you want to box in February, if you have not joined Boxycharm and you would like to join in February, this will be the box you'll get. It's called the February FOMO box, and it includes 5 items. And as you can see here are the 5 items. The first item is the Tarte Rainforest of the Seas Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. It sells for $36. It has 1 matte shadow for transition and 7 micro shimmers. And these are really special micro shimmers. All you need is a finger. You don't need to wet it, and you apply it to your eyelid, and the heat from your finger activates it, and it looks beautiful. The second item is from Galactic. It's the Skin Glow Duo. We received this in our last Boxyluxe, and I just love it. This one's in the shade of Moonlight. This one-of-a-kind formula is infused with crushed pearls. It blends beautifully with your skin, and it'll give you an illuminated, fresh glow. All you have to do is blend the cream highlight, then you dab the glow right on top of it. It doesn't look cakey. It's just a beautiful glow, and I love this product. Now moving on to the next one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This one, it is a bestseller on high-end mascaras in the United States, and it sells for $24. It's a beautiful mascara. We received this one in our February box. The next item is by Tula. It's the Bright All Night Brightening. It's the Tula. It's the Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. And it comes 2 in a pack, which sells for $24. This mask brightens and energizes your complexion. It evens your skin tone and locks in hydration. It's a holographic sheet mask that combines probiotics and skin superfoods to give your skin that light up a room look. And this is for any kind of skin type: normal, dry, oily, combo, sensitive, and mature. And the last product in the box is a lippy. It's the Adidas New York Haute Cocoa Liquid Lipstick for $24. It provides the full coverage of a lipstick, but yet it's a liquid lipstick with the liquid lipstick applicator. It has Japanese sumac wax, which helps to create a silky texture without feeling greasy. It's got vitamin C and E. It's got a special emollient to keep your lips feeling soft and supple. Now you can also purchase this box in the charm room if you're an existing charmer. But if you're not subscribed to Boxycharm and you want to subscribe today, you will receive this box for $21. This February FOMO box is worth $134 for $21. If you're interested in purchasing Boxycharm today, all you have to do is click on the link below my video in the description area, and you'll be able to join, and you will get this box for February. And starting in March, you'll be a regular Boxycharm customer, and you'll get the normal box in March. Before we get into those 8 confirmed spoilers for Boxyluxe in March, I wanted to remind everybody about this 5,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway that I have going on right now. All the rules will be listed below, and remember, you need to watch the entire video because clues may be in that video you need to have in your comment For example, I would like you to put a number between 5,000 and 6,000 at the end of your comment. And this giveaway does not end at the end of February. It goes into the first week of March. You can look in the rules. It tells you the date it goes through. And moving on to those products in the March Boxyluxe, I have a little video clip to show you first.
Wander, 4 different Morphe palettes. We've even got Confidence in a Cream from It Cosmetics and Becca Lip. So we've got our social team, including our new part of our social team, Darlene, and they're going to pick out which are their favorite products from the first set of sneak peeks for March Boxyluxe. Honestly. Hey, Darlene, what is your fave?
I have to go with the Cover FX palette.
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
Yes. I love that.
Steph B?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to go with the
Wander.
I'm so into skincare now. And this is rose gold. Look at that.
So cute.
So you got it. And this is a picture that was released on Boxycharm Latinx. And it has the entire 8 products here, as you can see. And I went into detail about all these products in my video before this one, so I will link that video up above if you want to go into detail about all these products. You can just go to that video. What I'll do now is just show you what the 8 products are. Okay, that first product in our Boxyluxe March edition is going to be the Morphe 15 Shades. It's either going to be the Morphe 15B, which is the Brunch Babe eyeshadow palette, 15D, which is the Day Slayer palette, 15H, the Happy Hour, and 15N, which is the Night Master. And these each retail for $16. The second item in our Boxyluxe will be the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. You get a huge 2-ounce jar that sells for $48. Third is the iconic London Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. This sells for $39. Number 4 is by Lily Lashes. Is a set of false lashes. These lashes are the go-to lashes for the stars and celebrities and celebrity influencers. We're not sure which variety we're getting, but we're getting a set of lashes. Number 5 is by Cover FX and in collaboration with Boxycharm. It's the One Perfector Face Palette for $45. And this one's actually going to be in Boxyluxe and Boxycharm. Number 6 is by Becca Cosmetics, and it's the Ultimate Lipstick. And this sells for $24. Number 7 is by Donna Lipman.
Hey Charmers, it's Deborah Lippman and I'm backstage in Crazy Fashion Week, and I wanted to just give you a sneak peek of what's coming in your March Boxyluxe, and it's 2 colors from my collection, Oh Donna and Modern Love. Charming.
We're getting a bottle of nail polish. It's a Gel Lab Pro nail lacquer, and these sell for $20. We can either get Oh Donna or Modern Love. Number 8 is by Wander Beauty. It's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and it sells for $34.
March Boxyluxe is this Wander Lift Off Mask. This color was actually exclusively made for us here at Boxycharm because it matches our whole theme. Can you guess what the theme is?
So that's it. That's the first 8 spoilers of the 10 items that's going to be in the Boxyluxe box. Now, about variations, we're not sure which variations we are having. We know for sure about the Morphe one. That can be one of 4 palettes. Make sure you do your quiz on Boxycharm.com, because want to make sure you get the correct Cover FX face palette. I have a video showing you exactly where to go to do this quiz. I'll link it up above. If you need help more than that video, just email me and I can help you. I can lead you to where you need to go to do your quiz or help you answer it, whatever you need. Just email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com. And that's it for the Spallers today. And I thank you all for watching this. I did fill out an application for the Sephora Squad, and I would appreciate it if you would leave me a testimonial. It's real easy. All you do is click on the link I leave below. It goes to the Sephora page. You put in your email address and then write a few sentences about why you like my channel and why is it different from other channels. It would really help me out and I would truly appreciate it. Till I see you again, please remember to share and subscribe and make sure you give me a like. I would truly appreciate it. And until I see you next time, bye.